This is my wife Swapna.
Hi.
Her full name is Swapna Sundari, but she doesn't like it when I call her that, so I call her Swapna. Her native place is Bangalore. She takes good care of me. I like her a lot. We are fond of each other.
Ravi, this is my father's ash. We have to put it in the sea. We have to go to Kanyakumari. Do the arrangement.
Sure, darling.
Yeah. Are you ready for this? Yeah. Are you ready for this?
She's Kumari, our
Hi.
maid. You must be wondering she has a different name. Well, her original name is Kumari. She worked for a French family in Pondicherry for 10 years. They used to call her Komari instead of Kumari. She liked the name, so she changed her name to Komari. She was born and brought up in Kerala, but she has a French style of living. Look at her dress. You'll understand what I'm saying.
Why did you board this crab? Where is the fish?
I brought fish only from market. How did it change?
Why are you asking me? How come I know?
Maybe parcel got exchanged in market.
Oh shit! Oh my god! Oof, 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 oof. Don't you have any sense? See what's there?
Hey, why are you shouting like this? Something has happened to you.
Hey, mind your words. Don't talk too much. I'll slap you and make you
Stop
lost.
it.
Whatever
stop
language
it.
we might speak in,
You just
but when it
stop,
comes
okay?
to
Stop.
abusing someone, we prefer our mother tongue.
Are you ready for this?
What to do? I'm not having mother-in-law. So time pass, I'm fighting with her.
Na 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 na, Swapna. Na 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 na, Swapna. Na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na.
Why are you shouting, Ravi?
I'm so happy, darling.
What are these?
You're finally here.
I'm too tired. Okay, I have to sleep.
Ay.
Hmm.
Oh, disgusting!
Ravi? Hey, Ravi.
Coming, darling! What happened? You sound tense.
See all these dresses you messed up. It was in the room. How can it came here?
How do I know, darling? I was with you. Maybe a robber entered a room, Swapna.
All the doors are closed. How the thief will come? If he comes means he left chain gold and he will take my dresses.
Good morning, sir.
Hi, good morning.
I'm here. Only you're saying good morning to her? I'm having a doubt with this girl only.
Hey, don't doubt unnecessarily.
I know about you. If you see a girl, you will start flirt.
What, sir? Any problem?
Hello, don't come in between us. Mind your business. Don't interfere us.
Hey, don't shout at her. She might feel bad.
If I shout her, you're getting angry. First, I have to set CCTV camera. Then, which thief is coming, I will see.
Oh, get lost. Komari?
You have to fix here. Be careful.
Darling screwdriver?
Here.
Hey, not the cutter, the
Oh, sorry.
screwdriver.
Here it is.
Wow, I can see everything from here, darling.
You're gonna get nicely now.
Okay. I'm gonna fix it now. Tell me if it's okay.
Do the fix only, okay?
Okay. I'll place it here.
No, little bit.
Here.
No, this side.
Okay.
Little right.
Here.
Haan, okay.
Okay.
Haan, okay.
I have to do all the bloody work.
Oh, what is this, Ravi? You're fixing the CCTV camera in the table fan?
This way we'll get to see what's happening in the hall and the kitchen.
You're very smart when you come to the hometown. Your brain is working very smart. If I allow you, you will fix the CCTV camera also in the gas stove. Oh my god.
She goes on and on like a blabbermouth. Check this out.
Huh? Oh, wow! Yay! Mwah! Komari, we are going out. Take care of the house, okay?
Okay.
Come, darling.
Hi, Kumari. Did you have your dinner?
I had so.
Bend and clean the plates.
See her? How dare she is?
She's getting jealous.
What is this? You're always making brinjal.
Tomorrow in Kerala style, I'll do banana curry.
I don't want Kerala style. I want the food in Karnataka style.
Sir, for you?
I would prefer to have some drumsticks.
Sir, in drumstick tree there will be devil.
Drumsticks are full of strength. I can get rid of any devil.
Hey, just shut up. If you shout, the ghost gonna come here.
Oh, let it come. Who's scared of it? Na. Ah. Na. Darling.
What, Ravi? You're so happy today.
Have a look at this, darling.
What the hell is this? Without doctor advice, we should not eat it.
I'm not using it every day. Only tonight, darling. I'll get really horny.
No.
Please?
No means
please,
no.
darling,
Got it?
Please, don't say
No.
no. Please, darling. Please.
Okay. But only one day.
Thank you. No, wait. You can't be in these clothes.
Then?
Why don't you go change into traditional beautiful sari? You look hot.
Okay.
Yes. Yay.
You don't want this jean girl. You don't want this jean girl.
Ravi! What happened? Ravi! Because of the tablet. Maybe he got side effect? Let's see. I gave this tablet only now, but it's still there. Oh my God! I gave the sleeping tablet. Oh, all gone waste. Ravi! What, Ravi? You're acting like sleeping, now doing naughty. No one is there. He was sleeping. Then how?
Swapna, where are you? Oh, it's getting late. Where is she? It looks so weird, just like Swapna. Swapna, I love you.
Swapna, I love you.
Swapna, I love you.
Swapna, I love you. Swapna, I hate you.
What?
Swapna, I hate you.
Oh! Ravi! Ravi!
Oh, what happened?
You,
what happened?
you,
What
you.
happened? Why are you shouting?
See this cat, what it's saying?
What's it saying?
Swapna, I hate you.
Hey, I didn't say
You-
that. I didn't say
you-
that. I didn't say that.
Swapna, I hate you.
Hey. I swear I didn't say that.
Then how it's saying?
I said, Swapna, I love you.
Now tell again.
Swapna, I love you.
Swapna, I love you.
Swapna, you gotta leave me. No, please, don't hit me. Come on, darling.
Why camera in bedroom? Which thief is gonna come here? Switch off first. Do what I say.
Why?
Switch off.
Okay.
Good morning,
Hi,
sweetheart.
good morning.
Coffee.
Yeah, thank you. Oh,
Okay, say, what are you doing?
nothing, dear. Just watching.
I told you to switch off the camera, na? How these are all recorded?
Maybe it got switched on its own.
Stupid fellow. I know about you, Ray. Hey, stop there. I say stop it.
Okay. What happened?
Do the rewind.
Why?
Do it, I will say. See there? See carefully.
I don't see anything.
See there.
What are you talking about?
Oh my god.
Oh,
What will be that?
You're getting scared unnecessarily. I'm sure the door moved because the wind blew.
Oh, stupid! This is centralized AC room. All the windows are closed. From where air came? Something is happening here. Something happening here.
Stop cribbing now. You're getting tensed for no reason. You've gone mad, Swapna.
Yes. While I taking the bath, my blouse automatically removed. When I saw you, you were sleeping. How it's happening?
I'm sure it's because of your dieting. Your blouse must have slipped off because of that. Go look at yourself in the mirror.
You're stupid.
Me?
I'm saying again, but you're not
please,
listening.
dear. Stop all this nonsense now. Leave me alone, please. Okay?
Get lost.
Crazy girl. Just missed. I'll try again. Missed again. I'll try again. Oh no. Shit.
How long you're playing this? But you never win. You're not worth to play rocket itself. You're worth like a small kids to play. Come and sleep.
She's talking too much.
I told you to sleep now.
One day you'll see. I'll hit bullseye.
Oh. Ravi!
What happened, darling?
Ravi!
Wait, I'm coming. What's the matter? Why are you shouting?
Coffee cup fell down, Ravi.
It fell down? So big deal if it fell down. Why are you shouting for that?
No, Ravi, I kept the cup here, but it fell down automatically.
How can a cup placed here fall over there? I'm sure you kept it here, that's why it fell down.
No, Ravi, I kept here itself.
I don't believe you. How's that possible?
Oh my
Oh,
God,
come
I
on,
swear
cool
something
down.
is
Why are you
happening.
shouting now? It's only a power cut.
No.
See, the power's back. You're getting scared unnecessarily.
When I told you you were laughing, you didn't take seriously. Now enjoy nicely, okay? Now you got my point. Did you hear the sound?
No, darling.
No?
I'm sure Komari must have dropped a vessel there.
Will vessels make that sound? I told you no. I know you won't listen to me.
Swapna.
I won't stay here anymore.
Swapna! Swapna, wait. Listen to me. This is my ancestral property. I can't sell it off.
Will you listen to me or not?
No way. I'll do anything, but I won't sell off this property.
Oh shit! Are you stupid? This is haunted house. We have to sell it.
Oh, shut up now. If you're going to tell everyone it's haunted, who's going to buy this property?
Do whatever
Swapna,
you want.
listen to me now. Wait, don't be adamant. You're acting crazy now.
This is haunted house. I will sell it. I'll show you one. Challenge.
Swapna. She'll never listen to me. Let her go, she'll come back. Who's that shorty over there? He looks weird. I wonder where she got this buffoon from. Crazy fellow.
Hey, fool, what do you think of yourself? Why are you looking at me like that? Don't give that stupid look to me.
Oh, really?
Ah.
Hmm.
Ah. Ah. Oh, no, please don't hit me. Oh, my God, no, please, please,
Hey, what happened to your dialogues now?
Nothing, brother. Simply. Ah,
Ah, you deserve this.
Nothing,
Get going,
brother.
get going, get
Nothing,
lost.
I'll go.
Swapna! 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 Swapna? Swapna, are you okay? Swapna? Why are you behaving like this? Come on, get up. Swapna?
Hey, stupid. Let's play. What happened to you? Why are you laughing at me? What? Why are you laughing? No. I didn't do this. Oh, God. No, it's not me. It's not me. How dare you do this to me? It's not me. You only do something to me.
Oh my
It's
God.
not me. I won't do like that. I don't know how it happened, yaar. Why are you laughing?
Tudum, 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 dum dum, tudum, 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 tudum. You're that ghost.
Am I ghost?
Yeah.
Why you came to sleep with ghost? Get lost.
Oh, get lost.
Stupid. Hey, what are you doing?
We could not get any footage of the ghost. I'll put this powder here. Maybe we'll be able to get its footprints. Let's hope for the best. I'm sure we'll get him this time.
It's a good idea.
Let's sleep. Are you happy?
Happy.
Let's sleep peacefully now. Look, Swapna, look. Come. Hey, look, the footprints are leading to Komari's room.
Hey, it's okay. Go inside.
Hey, why should we go inside? When the ghost comes out, I'll smack him with this bat.
Why? Are you scared?
No, Komari must be sleeping inside. We should not disturb her.
Then you're not scared.
Ah? Scared? Who, me? No way. I'm the last person to get scared.
Then why your legs are shaking?
Oh, that's nothing. Just a nerve problem. Let's wait
If
here.
something happens to that girl, we are the responsible.
Oh, Swapna, what if it attacked me?
Now you're going inside or not?
Oh, Jesus, please save me. Help me. I'll go inside.
Just go.
Oh. I can't see anything. It's too dark inside.
Switch on the light.
Oh, yes, you're right.
Who's that? Oh my God, what a shit, yaar.
Is it you?
Is this the way to sleep like this?
This is my room. I'll sleep anyhow I want. Why did you guys come here?
Nothing. Just want to know how the steps came from my room to your room.
Oh, that. I heard some noise in your room. That's why I came to see what is it. You guys were sleeping. I did not know what was it. That's why I stamped it on and came.
Hereafter, step properly and carefully, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Hereafter, sleep properly, okay?
What?
I told the door. What are you saying there? Just go.
We have to leave. Okay.
Good morning. What happened whole night, yaar?
Hey, why did I have to sleep on the terrace last night? Mosquitoes bit me.
What? Am I looking like a top floor?
Hey, I was shivering in the cold last night. I just came down from the terrace. Stop irritating me.
Don't lie at me. Whole night you are with me.
Stop lying, Swapna.
I am not lying, okay? I mean, you were whole night with me only.
How did I land up in the terrace then, Swapna?
Arre, what? Yeah, you are saying again and again to me same the thing.
What? Wait. Oh my god! Oh no! How could you do this to me?
I really don't know, sweetheart. You very well know, na? I slept as well as na. I thought it was you. I really don't know how it happens. I told on that day itself, na? Even though if we can't sell this house, at least we have to vacate it. Did you listen to me?
My god.
Yes. What's that sound?
Oh, nothing.
Oh, nothing else.
Oh
Okay.
god. Someone hit me with a bat.
Are you saying nothing?
Ghost. I'm glad she wasn't there. Hey, no. Don't open it. No. Don't see. Swapna, I'm telling you. Don't see. Please, Swapna. Facebook.
1,000 lights. On that day, you had a fight with Tina.
Hey, Pappu.
Yes?
Take the book and check what's written for opening the gate.
Book?
What are you doing, man? Huh? You're a pain in my wrong place. Take it, read it.
the gate and see. If it is locked, jump the gate and get inside.
Go now. Go and see. Go and push the gate.
The gate is open.
If it's open, why are you standing here? Go inside.
Okay, come.
This is such a big house, man. Shut your mouth. We have to become very rich after robbing from this house. Okay? What have you come with? Have you brought a bag at least?
What you're talking about, bag? We'll steal the entire house.
Okay. Now you check what's written in the book.
Huh?
Come
Okay,
on.
I'll check. Once you get inside, check all the place. If watchman is there, give him something to drink. If dog is there, put some meat. That is what is there.
There's no dog and there's no watchman here.
Then something is definitely waiting for us. This guy doesn't know anything at all.
Have you seen your size? In this size, you're trying to fool me.
Sir,
Who are you, man?
friend,
Hmm.
love matter.
Hmm.
If you give something to drink, it'll be nice, sir.
You are trying to fool me and you think I'm a fool? For how long will you keep doing all these things? Explain it to him, man.
Get out, man. Get out. You come inside.
Come, man.
Come, come. Nobody is here. Like Central Jail, it is very, very big.
Just now you got out of jail. Why are you reminding me all that?
Hey, robbers will go to jail. That is usual thing, right?
You shut your mouth and tell me what is in the book.
When you get inside, if somebody hears the sound, just make a sound like a cat. Nobody will stop us, man. Just come inside.
Walk, walk.
Oh, no,
Who's
no, no.
there? Meow. See how I saved you.
Again, if something happens, see how I'll manage it. You wait and
Mad
see.
bugger. You really don't know anything, man. Come. What if you could see? Oh no, my
Who's
God.
there? Hey, can't you sleep simply? Why are you disturbing us?
Hey, you don't have brains. You think he also doesn't have brains like you? It's okay. It looks like a lucky place to me. Come, let's go and rob. All the big thieves, I think they will rob like this only. Careful, man. Hey, catch me from behind and slowly come with me, okay? Don't fall down anywhere, okay?
Careful.
I've kept the knife on her throat. If he moves also, she'll be killed. Papu, switch the light on.
Okay.
Hey, what are you doing, man? Come on, put on the
I
lights
don't know.
fast.
Where is the switch? Where have you kept the knife?
Yeah, man. She's very beautiful.
Hey, fool! Where have you kept the knife? See properly.
Why are you shouting, man? If you shout, I'll kill you.
Hey, you bloody fool! See how you have kept the knife.
What?
Swapna, look, two fools have come to our
Oh
place.
no! Even this guy knows.
What? Do I look like a fool here? I'm a big thief. Do you know about me?
Oh, really? Big deal.
Hello, I even have a union card for that association. Look, look. See,
Union card? Hey, you look like a small boy in it.
Sir, it is my card, sir.
see, I'm a thief, no? I robbed that from him. Can you see
Oh
it?
God, don't tell me you robbed even this.
Okay. Let that be there. Okay, where are all the jewelries?
I'm sorry, we don't have any jewels.
What? You don't wear any jewelry? At least you must be having money. Take it. Come on, give it to me.
We don't have any cash. We use only debit card, credit card, and checkbooks. Update yourself. You seem to be very outdated.
I also have a card, man, but that is union card.
Yes.
Hello, don't waste my time. I'm telling you no. Give me whatever you have fast.
Fine, there's 200 rupees in my pocket. Go take it.
200 rupees. Hello, I can't use 200 rupees even for auto, man.
Hey, let me sleep. Don't disturb me.
Hey, you fool! Come. Come. You are my boss and I'm your assistant.
back.
Come.
They don't fear the knife. They're not bothered about me also. We have searched this whole building. We have not got anything.
How will you get, man? How will you get, I say?
You don't have respect when you talk to me? Shut up and see now what is written in that book. Come on. Always keeping it inside.
If you don't get money or jewelry, just drink the wine you have brought. That is what it is saying.
Oh, is that what is written?
Yes.
This is also a nice idea. Come on, take the stuff out. Take
Start
it, man.
coming. Ah, it came. Wine is here. Where is the glass, man?
Glass.
Huh?
It is your responsibility to bring the glass also. Here, take it.
What, man? To get water bottle, you don't have money. Where did you get this used glass from? Thu.
Listen, this is what I got. If you want to drink, you drink, or else you get out.
I'll pour, man. Look at your face.
I don't think we'll get water here. Come on, have it neat. Now let me first pray to God. Oh my God, please save me. I want to get some more money. Please help me.
Boss, you've proved that you're boss even while drinking. Just in one shot, you've emptied the entire glass?
You cheater. Before I drank, you drank my stuff.
No, boss, I didn't even touch it.
Okay. At least pour the next round now properly. Oh my God, please help me. Gone really high. Now check what is written next. Come on.
What?
Check what is written after drinking.
I'll see that. Wait. Even after drinking, you didn't get any idea. Just return to your place where you came from. Otherwise, you will definitely get into some trouble. That is what it says.
Is that what is written? Okay, I think then going from here is nice. Come on, let's escape.
You fool! You drank mine also? Come.
Let's go.
Oh no, I think they got thrashed. I'll wake them up. Hey!
Who is that in the morning, man?
Wake him up!
Get him, man, you idiot.
No.
Hey, didn't I tell you to leave last night? Huh? Should I call the police? Huh? Leave right now.
Hello. You know that you've written on the board, beware of dogs. And there is one ghost which came and bit me. See? First, you put one board here, beware of ghosts. We have to keep coming here regularly, no?
Hey, I already told you looking at that book. If we stay here, we'll definitely get into some trouble. See now what has happened to me.
Is it how it hurts? Huh? I have a lot of work now. Now go and put the board there.
Get out from here.
Come, man.
My God.
Come.
Oh no.
They deserve it.
I'm not able to walk.
Get going.
No.
What are you doing, man?
Go,
Come
man.
fast.
He's putting
Let's go.
water.
No. Hello?
Hello, tell me.
Am I speaking to Mr. Sharma?
Yes?
Sir, this is Mr. Ravi.
Yeah, tell me, Ravi.
Sir, you said you would come. I'm waiting for you here.
I'm actually out of the country, so
Sir,
that's why
that's
I'm
not
not
done.
able to come.
We were expecting you here. We're facing a big problem here, sir.
What?
Yes, sir. My wife is really scared.
If you want, I can send my assistant to your place.
Will he be able to solve our problem, sir?
They'll do it properly, sir.
Are you sure, sir?
No problem. That'll all be done
Can I
correctly.
take your word?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir. Please send him fast. We both are tensed.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
What happened?
We won't have this problem hereafter. In 2 days, Mr. Sharma's assistants will be
Are
here.
you sure?
Yeah, definitely. Don't worry, okay? Our problem will be solved soon. Okay?
Okay. Ravi? Ravi? Ravi?
What?
Come here. Ravi?
Yes, coming. Is it a ghost or a dog? Look at the way it's sniffing me. Because I acted like I was sleeping, it left. This ghost seems to be really dumb. I was able to trick it quite easily. This idea of mine worked out. Ah.
Ravi?
Yes.
Come here.
What happened?
Come here now.
What's the matter, darling?
See the doll's head?
You're right. I'm sure that's the ghost. I'm sure it's the ghost. I'm not going to leave you. Hey, you've caused trouble to us. Look what I do to you now. I got rid of it. Thank God. How's this possible? Look what I do to you now. Using this doll? You're driving us crazy. Bloody ghost. This is your end. Who's there? Hey! I'm asking who's there. Answer me! Stop knocking the door. Press the bell. Who's there? Not you again! Even after breaking you and burying you, you come back? I have to get rid of you somehow. This is your last day. I'm gonna burn you in fire. That's gonna be the end of you. Huh. That toy made my life a living hell. I'm glad I got rid of it.
I am R. Rao. Ramya Rao. Okay?
Hello,
Sharma's assistant.
welcome to my home. Welcome.
Leave him. Please come.
Mm.
Come inside. Please come. Come. Nice to see you.
How is she?
Please? Thank you. It's okay. Oh yes. How did you come to know that there's ghost in this house?
You tell her.
The doors are opening automatically actually. In kitchen vessels are also automatically falling down.
Oh.
Madam, I know where the ghost is.
Huh? Where?
1 second. Madam, the ghost is inside this toy. I broke it. I burnt it. I even buried it. But I'm not able to get rid of it. I'm really scared. Only you can help me out, madam.
I have seen bigger ghosts than
Oh.
this. To kill the smallest ghost, you need not have to call me at all.
Oh, thank you so
You
much.
just sit
this
and
a
watch what
small
I'm going
ghost?
to do.
Okay, okay.
200 years ago, a very big saint gave this to my grandfather. If ghost has caught somebody, if you stab with this, ghost will run away. Those who get stabbed by this will not have any pain, not even injury. You don't have to be afraid of anything from now.
Hereafter there is no danger from the ghost
That
now?
ghost will never come back again to this house. Don't be afraid.
Oh no, it's attacking her. Oh god.
Throw that stick!
Okay, okay.
Take it fast!
Madam, yeah. Oh, wow. No.
This is not that simple, ghost. I'll have to study this. For that, we should play a game. Hide and seek. Hide and seek game. Hello? Clap your hands.
Hey, you got caught, you got caught. You're the catcher now. It's your turn. Oh, I can't see anything. Oh, what's this? Oh, where are they? Where are you all? Please clap.
Ravi, what happened?
What fate! It keeps hitting me in the same place. Ah!
Now I understood what kind of ghost it is. Desperate ghost.
That we already know, madam.
If you had told this before itself, we need not have to play this game at all.
What is this, madam? Because of you today, I have to face the consequences. Ah! Ah!
Ooh, ooh.
Ravi,
Yes, madam.
if we have to kill that ghost, we should sacrifice one hen.
Okay.
Then you should eat that chicken.
Oh.
That too, only your family members have to eat.
Really?
Huh.
What will happen if we do that?
We can kill that ghost.
Okay, ma'am, as you say. It flew off. You.
Careful!
The game is over.
Huh? Please help yourself.
I have already told you that only your family members have to eat this chicken.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
Swapna, you eat this.
Oh my god, I don't want this. I won't eat these desi chickens.
Oh.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. I'm so happy. I'm gonna eat this whole chicken. It looks so yummy. Ow! Up. I'm full. What's that smell? Huh? What's that smell? Swapna!
Ah,
Swapna!
yeah,
Hey,
coming.
Swapna!
What, Ravi? What are you shouting?
Why did you do it?
What I did? Tell me clearly.
Not done, Swapna. Why did you break the lens of the camera in the bedroom?
Broken. What are you saying? I didn't do anything.
Stop lying, Swapna. I know you did it.
Promise, Ravi. Why I'm going to break the lens? Actually, you found the ghost because of that lens now. Even that camera, I wish to be there now. Then, why should I break that?
You are the one who broke it.
No, I didn't.
Stop lying, Swapna.
No, I didn't.
I'm sure you broke it.
No, I didn't. I didn't.
Please stop it. She's saying she didn't break it, right?
No way, madam. Only me and Swapna in the bedroom. I didn't break it. I'm sure she did it. She's lying to me now. Initially, when I placed the camera in the bedroom, she didn't like it. This is not done.
No, madam. I didn't break that. Believe me.
Now, why are you fighting among yourself? If we look at the monitor, we'll come to know. Come, let's see.
Okay, ma'am. You're the one behind all this. I knew it.
What, Swapna? Being a girl, you have done like this? That too, you're a foreign return.
It's my mistake. I shouldn't do that.
It's your turn now. When I made a mistake, you asked me to make a promise. Now it's your turn. Ah.
Okay.
Come on, as I'm a Swapna,
As I am a Swapna,
taking the true words,
taking the true words,
hereafter,
hereafter,
always, without my makeup,
without my makeup,
in front of any
in
cameras,
front of any cameras,
I won't stand.
I won't stand.
Yesterday,
Yesterday,
without makeup,
without makeup,
stood in front of the camera.
stood in the front of camera.
The lens was broken.
The lens was broken.
I'm feeling very bad.
I'm feeling very bad.
Hereafter,
Hereafter,
it won't happen.
it won't happen.
Won't do it again.
Won't do it again.
I promise this.
I promise this.
I hate exercising, but today I'm enjoying it a lot. I wish I could exercise every day with her. This is fun. Oh wow, just look at her. She's so hot. Wow. This is a piece of cake for me. No biggie. What's this? It's too heavy.
Why? What happened? Can't lift up.
Nothing like that.
Oh.
I'll warm up first. No, I think I'll skip weights today. Oh my god. I'm sure that ghost is behind all this. I feel so insulted. I'll lift you somehow. I'm gonna lift you somehow. My back. My butt.
Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this?
Oh wow, darling, you look so hot. I love your outfit. You're turning me on. Kumari, I'm sure that ghost is behind all this. I really don't know. What's gonna happen now? Let's wait and watch. Oh, it's Ramya Rao. Oh wow, her hands soft as butter. This is my chance. I should enjoy myself.
Oh no! Oh man, leave me, man. What are you doing? Just leave me, man.
Oh, hey, who are you?
I'm courier boy, man.
What?
From half an hour, that is what I'm telling. You're calling me Swapna, Komari, all these stupid names. What are you doing, man?
Really?
Take your letter.
Oh, I'm really sorry. Please don't go and tell anyone outside, okay?
Are you a human being? We are brought up in a good family. I came to give you post. You made me waste? Get lost.
Oh, I made a fool of myself. Ah, your turn. Come on, madam, come on. I'm sure you can strike the coin. You missed again. Your turn. Come on, Swapna. Minus, minus. Well, it's my turn now.
Strike that.
Check this out. Oh!
Ravi,
Tell me, madam.
if we have to kill this ghost, we should know all the truth about this ghost. This is your ancestors' place, right?
Yes, this is my ancestral property.
Do you have any antique pieces that your grandfather was using?
This was an old place. We demolished and constructed a new one here. I don't know. Wait. 1 second, madam.
Wow! What, madam? Suddenly you strike the red? Ooh.
When we came here, one of the servants handed over this book to us. It's an old book. I haven't read it. There's a story in it. I hope it is of some use to you.
Lingaraja stories.
My name is Shanmugam. I am the owner's cook. The story that is written about Lingaraj is that Lingaraj is a very close employee of Zamidar. But one day,
What, man? Why did you come here? Sir, I got cheated, sir. What cheating? In my place and cheating? What happened? Just tell me. Sir, how can I tell that, sir? You know that person. Stop it. If it comes about justice, I don't care whether it is my son or myself. What do you think about justice? It is not just something. It is my life. Let it be anything. I'll take care of that. Just tell. Lingaraj. He's right here. What happened to him? He only spoiled my family, what did you do, man? Tell. What? What happened? What I mean is... What? Hey, wait for some time. My wife will come and give you some crab soup. If you drink that, all your cough will go off. See, she only came here.
What, brother? You got cold?
yeah. Yesterday evening, I was out in that cold weather, no? That's why I
Okay,
got
brother,
cold.
don't worry. If you drink this soup, everything
give it
will
to
be
me.
alright.
And how about you?
You drink it completely. Your health is not okay,
Then
right?
okay. Your cooking is very tasty.
Oh, stop it, brother. Don't praise me.
Hey, take rest for some
Okay.
time. I'll put some water to the land and then we both
Okay.
will go and meet the landlord.
it, leave me, brother. Leave me, brother. Stop it, leave me. Brother, no, brother, no. This is very wrong. Please leave me. Brother. Brother, leave me. Leave me.
Sir, she was calling him brother, sir. He has done such a thing, sir. She couldn't stand all this and she committed suicide, sir. My family is completely torn apart, sir.
This all happened by mistake, sir. Yesterday I had that crab soup and I didn't know what I did after that, sir. I'm very sorry. It is all by mistake.
Is it a mistake
No,
to
sir.
be forgiven?
Please, sir.
You don't
Please
know the
forgive
difference
me.
between wife and a
will
sister?
never
What have you
repeat
done
this,
here?
sir.
Who is there?
Sir,
Catch hold of
please.
him.
No, sir.
Put
No,
him in
sir.
that
Please,
dark
sir.
room.
Please forgive me.
Give him only the crab soup.
Please,
In
sir.
what
Please
condition he
forgive me,
made
sir.
this
Sir,
mistake,
please.
he has to die in
Sir,
that condition
please,
itself.
sir.
From now on, whoever commits the mistake, this will be the punishment.
Sir, please forgive me, sir. Sir, please leave me. Sir, please don't do this, sir. Sir, sorry,
Drag
sir.
him away.
Sir, please, sir.
Take him away.
Sir, please leave me, sir. By mistake,
Looking
I
at
did
him,
it. I
nobody
won't
will
do
want
it
to
again,
commit
sir.
mistake
It is
from
by
now on. This
mistake.
will be
I
my
know, sir.
justice.
Sorry, sir. After this happened, Lingaraj was locked in a dark room. And every day, I only used to give him that crab soup. And after he used to drink that, he used to shout that even if I die, I will come back and take revenge. And because of this, due to depression, he died. And 10 days after that, even the Zamindar died. After that, nobody from Zamindar's family has come here. And in case they come here, because of Lingaraj's soul, they will have problems. So for everybody to know, I have written this book.
Ma'am, what's this? Is it an indicator?
Yes, it is indicator. Ghost if comes without shadow, we can't kill with that stick. Did you see this indicator? With the rays it emits, the whole room will become bright. Ghost cannot come without the shadow. So, definitely, that ghost has to enter any of your bodies and then only can come out. If it comes like that, I'll take that stick and definitely kill it.
Oh, that's a great idea, madam. I didn't expect this. I meant super idea, darling.
What is this, ma'am?
After drinking this soup, that ghost has done the mistake. That ghost likes this soup a lot. Do you understand? Following this smell, definitely that ghost will come here. It comes and enters any of your body. It'll come to drink this soup. If it enters any of your bodies, I'll use this stick and then kill it. It cannot come near me because I have this stick. That's why, Swapna and Ravi, you have to be very careful. Every chances are there to come to you. That will definitely come. That's why all of us, each one of us have to sleep in different rooms. Is it okay? Be careful.
Okay, madam.
Okay. Sorry to disturb you this time.
Yeah, what happened?
Can I come in?
Come, sure, come. What happened?
Nothing. Actually, I can't sleep.
What? You have headache?
That's why I came to talk with you.
Tell me, what happened?
I mean...
Hey, Swapna? 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 Get up, Swapna. Get up. Get up, Swapna. What happened? It's okay. Relax, relax.
How
Don't
I
worry.
came here?
It's all that ghost work. Relax. You want some water?
No, thanks.
Leave it. Relax.
Sound from my room.
Huh? Open it fast.
Hey, Ravi! Hey, Kumari! Get up!
Hey,
What's happening here? Get up!
hey, how did you come here? I don't know how she came here.
How dare you do this to me?
Please trust me, Swapna.
I don't even know how I came here.
How dare you? You done all this, but you're acting and posing at me.
Wait for some time. Now that soup smell is coming from her mouth. So that ghost has entered her body and has done this. It's not at all their mistake. It has happened without their knowledge.
No, madam, no. How dare you are being with me and you're cheating me? Don't be in my side. Get lost from here.
I didn't even
Get
do
lost.
this, madam. Look here. If 4 people are there, it'll create problem. You just leave from here. Till I tell you, you don't come here, okay? From now on, let's keep only 1 cup of soup. Okay? Yes. Cool down. Come on. Cool down. Come.
Hi.
Hi.
Come on, darling.
Coming.
Come, we'll swim. Come. Hey, come fast. Oh, come on. Oh no.
What happened, Ravi?
That has come.
How did it come here? There's no indicator here.
It doesn't work in open place.
Swapna, get out of the pool. The ghost might try to drown you. Hurry up, Swapna, hurry up, quick.
Oh my god, is it? I'll go outside, you go inside.
Why should I go inside?
Oh shit, I'm not having dress, you go inside.
Oh, okay. Pass me a towel.
Towel up?
Hey, what's this? Why did you throw the mat?
Did you see this? This instrument? In each and every room, I fixed this. Yesterday we have missed it. But today, at any cost, we should not leave it.
Yes.
This instrument, I'm going to keep it under the soap. If I keep like this, when that ghost comes to drink this soup, this will start alarming.
Okay.
Everyone should become alert. And together, we should kill that ghost.
Okay, ma'am.
Let any difficulty come. Definitely, today I'll not leave that ghost without killing it. I promise you. And I'm sure.
Ravi! Hey, Ravi! Hey, Ravi! What's happening? With whom that ghost came? From him, that smell is not coming. Then the ghost was from Ravi. Nothing should happen. Oh my god. Ravi! Ravi! Madam.
Ravi? Ravi, go get the water.
Huh?
Ravi? Ravi?
Ravi? Are you okay?
Ravi?
What happened?
We killed that ghost.
Really, ma'am?
You don't have to be afraid. We have killed that ghost.
Thank you so much, madam. Thank you
It's
so
okay,
much.
it's my duty.
My father always longed to live in this house, ma'am.
Oh.
But he couldn't. I was really scared. I thought even I wouldn't be able to live here. All thanks
it's
to you,
okay.
now I can. Thank you once again. I'll
Thank
never
you
be
so
able to
much.
forget this help of yours. Swapna,
Okay.
hereafter we don't have to worry about anything.
Hello?
Darling, I love you.
Yeah, Raf speaking? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, sure. Yeah, I'll be there. Yeah, I have to book the ticket. Yeah, I'll start tomorrow itself. Yeah, okay. Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.
What happened, ma'am?
At Washington's White House, I have to take interview of Abraham Lincoln. They have invited me for that.
Wow, all the best, ma'am. Please
Thank
don't
you.
forget us.
No, no.
Huh?
I have to leave now. Bye-bye.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you, madam. What, Ravi? Is it paining?
Why do you ask?
If it pain means ghost doesn't exist.
Nothing like that. I was a bit tired.
Why are you sleeping like this?
Hey, don't act like you don't know. You know what happens when you have crab soup.
Hey.
My cute wife, I'm ready.
I'm also ready.
What if Lingaraja goes? One day for sure I'll come out. I'll come. Definitely I'll come. I'll come and take revenge on everyone.